Are you ready?
Maraming salamat.
No, Maymay? No, Ate Maymay?
May picture! Kasali ako kuya, hindi ako lalaki. Ano tago, ano girl?
Kasali pala.
No! What's my face? Oh my God.
Ladies and gentlemen, last but not the least, candidate number 5.
That's just a picture.
Narito ang kanyang best picture. Candidate number 5, Maymay. Okay. Muli, thank you very much, housemate. Pasensya na Maymay, medyo natagalan ma-develop yung picture. Ito na. Ladies and gentlemen, ang kanyang best picture.
Sobrang parang nasa sa Hollywood. Tupisya pa nasa magasin.
At ang best picture
Let me see!
ng aking living room
Just your living room!
ay narito.
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh, it is my very first time to see myself na ganoon kaganda, kuya.
It's weird because every morning since we've been here, Maymay walks out of the girls' room like Sadako. Holding Gray. And now she looks like that. It's really weird. That's my twin! Yeah. Represent the foreheads across the world.
It doesn't even look that this is your fart.
Maganda ako, mas maganda ako. Kala nila.
Sa kabila ng nalalapit na kompetisyon ay mukhang ini